In the profound darkness of the solar system, an incredible interstellar tragedy is quietly unfolding. A comet named Atlas hurtled toward the Sun at astonishing speed, but after successfully passing through perihelion, it underwent a dramatic twist. It had clearly broken free from the Sun's gravitational pull, yet as it moved away from the Sun, it suddenly veered off course, ultimately shattering into pieces and turning into a cloud of dust consumed by the Sun. It was as if an invisible hand was orchestrating everything, making one wonder whether some mysterious force truly exists in the universe. Comet Atlas, a non-periodic comet about 5 kilometers in diameter, hails from the Oort cloud at the edge of the solar system. At 17:55 on September 27, 2024, it arrived at perihelion as expected, brushing past the Sun at a distance of 37 million kilometers. According to scientists' calculations, it should have safely swung past the Sun and continued drifting toward the outer reaches of the solar system. However, on October 28, a month later, a bizarre event occurred. Comet Atlas suddenly veered off its course, plunging toward the Sun at an almost vertical angle. Under intense thermal radiation and gravitational forces, its core shattered into pieces and was ultimately completely consumed by the Sun. This scene left astronomers utterly baffled. Why was it not captured by the Sun at perihelion, but instead suddenly disintegrated while moving away? Was its fate to be devoured by the Sun already predetermined? Perhaps by retracing the life history of Comet Atlas, we can find some clues. As early as 2020, its sibling comet, C 2019 WA4, disintegrated prematurely due to its fragile structure, and the Hubble Space Telescope even captured the spectacular scene of its fragments splitting into 25 pieces. Research shows that the distribution of ice layers and dust within the nucleus of Comet Atlas is extremely uneven, with the strength in some areas being less than 1/10 that of other parts. This congenital defect causes asymmetric sublimation under solar radiation, and the torque generated by gas jets makes the nucleus spin faster, eventually leading to its breakup due to centrifugal force. What's even more puzzling is that the fragments after splitting behave very differently. Some disintegrate again within a few days, while others continue to sublimate for several weeks. Astronomers speculate that this may suggest the parent body imprinted unstable genes into its descendants during a split 5,000 years ago. Another clue comes from historical records. In 1844, a comet with orbital parameters highly similar to Atlas passed close to Earth, and the two are suspected to have originated from the same parent body. Model simulations indicate that about 5,000 years ago, a giant comet split at perihelion, giving rise to offspring including Atlas and the 1844 comet. However, while the former disintegrated in deep space, the latter successfully passed through perihelion. This difference remains unexplained to this day. Some scholars have hypothesized that Atlas may have inherited more volatile materials during its fragmentation, making it a comet doomed to an early demise. Although the scientific community has put forward various explanations, the fate of Comet Atlas remains shrouded in mystery.